Hey guys, how are you? Today we're going to talk about something related to the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL, which are two smartphones by Google that are going to launch in October 9, 2018, coming up. But first, let's talk briefly about the Google Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. The screen sizes of the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL will be 5.3 inch for the Google Pixel 3 and 6.2 inch for the Google Pixel 3 XL. The Google Pixel 3 XL will have a notch design, but it is not confirmed that they are going to launch this device with the notch, because what the leaks show is an early prototype of the Google Pixel 3 XL having a notch, but there is no sufficient evidence or satisfying information that proves that Google is going to put a notch on their flagship device, the Google Pixel 3 XL. The Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL will have outstanding cameras just like the Google Pixel 2 and the Google Pixel 2 XL, and according to some leaks there is no dual lens setup planned for this year too. And the thing that I'm going to talk about in this video is the wireless charger stand for the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL. This news is confirmed by the Google itself, as they have used some animations in the beta version of an app named 9to5 Google that shows the wireless charging stand. And this year Google is also planning to launch a smart speaker that is going to have a 7-inch screen. Okay guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Peace out.